Friends and devotees of Bhagwan Shri Krishna Ji, I extend my profound respect to you all on this 26th of June 2024. High time now to study in English language the Gyan Amrit Manthan and do it with enjoyment. Today's mantra is mantra 39, chapter 2 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Friends, before I commence my further activities, I would like to ask you one question. Which is that one single problem to which every life on this earth is suffering? Because the aim of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is to draw our attention to those facts, unique facts, which are engrossing the entire earth, every living being. This is where exactly it is equal to Mahabharata at the end of Dwapar Yuga as per Sanatan Dharma calendar. Same thing has come up, friends, again. Just think it over before we proceed further on this matter. One single problem, every living being has to rise against it and fight it out. That is the battle we are facing. And who are the forces? You will be amazed that these forces are also from all the 84 lakh living beings, types of living beings. उनमें से only one living being is creating that problem. So much so that the entire earth is suffering today just because of that single behavior of that single breed of the living beings, that single creed of the living beings. I'll come back to you right now. Time now to start our today's Gyan Amrit Manthan.
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नमः। एषा ते अभिहिता साङ्ख्ये बुद्धिर्योगे त्विमां शृणु। बुद्ध्या युक्तो यया पार्थ कर्मबन्धं प्रहास्यसि।
ऐसा ते अभिहिता सांख्ये बुद्धि योगे तु इमाम शृणु। बुद्धिया युक्तः यया पार्थ कर्म बंधम प्रहास्यसि। भक्तों, भगवान श्री कृष्ण जी is telling us that you have been carrying out detailed analysis of problem. Let's identify that particular problem, and once you get onto the karma yoga to defeat that force, you will be freeing the entire earth from this kind of karma bandham. Now, who's that karma bandhan creator? Not strangely enough, by now, Bhakjan, you've been able to think that it is the human beings who are the biggest enemy of themselves. You must have heard the story of Kalidasa sitting on a branch and cutting it on the trunk side of the tree. Exactly this is what we are doing. We are living on this earth and we are killing the same earth. Then where will we go? Where will the entire species of this blue planet will be extinct? It's high time we rise. Now, the enemies that we have created within, I will name a few of them. Water pollution, sound pollution, air pollution, food pollution, thought pollution, culture pollution, knowledge pollution, science pollution.
Hey, where are you? I'm missing you.
Even this device is telling, oh human beings, where are you? This Mother Earth is missing us. Save it. Save this blue planet. That is the level of thinking of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It doesn't deal with any language. It doesn't deal with any religion. It doesn't deal with any religious practices, so-called. It does not deal with. It deals with the in entirety the problem of entire earth. One single factor which is acting against the life of every living being, and many of the species have already become extinct just because of this human behavior. So, for the next 2 years, let's examine ourselves as to, are we not that person, or are our not those actions